Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. It's Tip Tuesday and today we're going to make some minimalistic earrings. What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire. For the samples I'm using tarnish resistant brass, but for items I sell I use argentium wire in half hard in the 20 gauge. I'll link up where you can buy that on Etsy. I also am using my regular tools and 6mm beads. So for the first design, we're going to put the 6mm bead on the wire, and we're just going to leave a couple inches at the end and twist the wire around the bead. So bring it all the way around the bead, all the way around to the bottom. Just slowly go around, hold it snugly so it's a nice fit, and then bring it up to the top so it's flush against there. So then you want it to be right near the hole. You're going to clip it flush and just push it in so it's not scratchy. Just use your flat pliers and then get a round form. You can use a pen and just bring the wire around to form a hoop. Now compare it with the other earring, adjust it if you need to make it a little higher or lower, compare them again, and then clip them the same length. So now we're going to get the burr tool or the wire rounder and just rotate it around to soften the end. You can also use a file for that, and there you have your cute little simple earrings. For the second design, we're going to also use the 6mm miracle bead, leave a couple inches at the end, and rotate the wire around. Hold it snugly so there's no slack, and just keep pushing the wire right around like that. And then from there, we're going to get our flush cutters and clip it at the bottom and push it in place with the flat pliers so it's not scratchy, and then bend it straight out at a right angle. From there we'll get our round form. You can use some round pliers or mandrel pliers. Just adjust it so it's about the width of your earlobe. Clip it, soften the end, and that part will go right through your ear and the bead will sit against your earlobe. And for this pair, I do a little hook clasp. So again, leave a couple inches and rotate the wire around. Hold it snugly. You don't want any slack, and bring it all the way back up to the top. Just keep pushing it around, and then we're going to bring it around back to the bottom at the back. And then we want to bend that straight out at a right angle. So get your flat pliers, hold it snugly, and we're going to give it a little flick of the wrist, bend so it's out at a right angle. Looks a bit like an L. It's going straight to the back. So now we'll get our round form again and form the loop there. Compare it to the other earring. Make sure it's about the same size. Clip the end. You want the end to sit down just a smidge, an 1/8 or a 1/16 inch below there. Bend that other wire around to form a hook. Clip it flush, and again soften the end of the wire, and there you have your cute little earrings with the little hook on them. And for the last pair, I'm actually using the half-hard argentium wire, 20 gauge always, and we're just going to do a tiny little loop in the end using my stainless steel fine tip round pliers, my favorite red pliers. Put the bead on there, bend it back at a right angle, and then we want it to go straight back. That part will go in the ear. We're just going to compare it to the other one. One has the loop perpendicular, one has it parallel, just depends on the style that you want. So bend it straight down again. You can make the ends a little longer this time if you want them more funky. So give it a little straight clip and then soften the end. These would be fun too if you had stainless steel head pins and you wouldn't have to do the loop. You can just stick the head pin right in and bend it down. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.